In this video, we're going to check out 5 clever solutions from the MakerPipe community, and these are all gardening specific, and all of these builds share a commonality in the fact that they're built with EMT conduit and MakerPipe connectors. But today we're not going to be talking about the structures themselves. We're going to be talking about some specific solutions that builders have used in their builds to solve certain problems, and these are really cool, and I just wanted to highlight a few of these that were shared over the last little bit. This first one is awesome. This comes from Nick, and this is a greenhouse that he put together. But the solution that we're going to be highlighting is this gutter system that he incorporated into the build. So we can see here over on the edge, he essentially added these vertical posts that go into the ground, and then he got some gutters, and it looks like he just punched a hole in the gutter. I imagine it's made out of plastic or maybe metal, and he just put a hole in there and then just zip tied the gutter to the frame. And this is really cool because this greenhouse is kind of sunken in the ground, but you could do this and actually build in pipes in your structure to support a gutter system if you wanted to do the same kind of thing for something that's actually, level with the ground and then goes up like a normal peak, 10 foot off the ground, something like that. And then you could build this gutter system into the framework itself. Really cool idea. And he did this to save water so that he could reuse it in his gardening adventures, and essentially just a really simple idea just to zip tie this to the frame. And I thought this was super clever and a really great solution that you could incorporate into different build ideas. It doesn't have to be one that's sunken in the ground like this, and I just wanted to share that. So thanks so much, Nick. Really appreciate you posting this in the community. We love seeing it. Next up is this garden shade from Ben, and this is a really cool idea. I love seeing this one. This actually utilizes a solution that we talked about on the channel a while back. Can't really see it in this photo. You get a better view in this one. Essentially, this is a vertical piece of EMT conduit, the main vertical of the structure, and that goes through the MakerPipe 90-degree connector. And because this vertical piece is running through the middle of the 90, that piece of conduit can run continuously through it. So really, this piece of conduit has an exposed end sticking out on top. And Ben utilized this fact by adding one of the threaded pipe inserts in the end of the conduit and then threading an eye hook into that threaded insert. And you can use this for all kinds of different stuff, as we've talked about on the channel in the past. But Ben used this specifically to pull his sunshade tight. And he did that by adding a turnbuckle to the hook and then going to the corner of his sail shade cloth here that has a kind of a buckle on the end, and it's just hooked onto that turnbuckle, and then he could tighten that and pull this sunshade tight, as we can see in these photos. And it looks awesome, pulled really tight, and just a really great solution if you guys are building frames and you don't want to get the measurements exact based on being able to pull that sunshade tight. You could kind of extend it out a little bit, and then you could use turnbuckles to tighten or loosen to pull it tight and kind of adjust it as needed. Thought that was really cool and a really great use of that eye bolt hack, and just a really awesome thing. So thanks so much, Ben, for sharing this. We love seeing it. This next idea is off the chain. Oh, that's horrible. Essentially, this is a trellis that Gary put together, and this is a really simple structure he put together. Like I said, all of these are built with the EMT conduit MakerPipe, but this solution specifically is really awesome. Essentially, he needed a way to hang his tomato hooks to add the string or the twine going down to his plants, and essentially, he just strung up some chain going around the frame and around the pipes in the frame, as we can see here, just kind of wrapped around, and then I imagine it hooks on somewhere to kind of start this method, and then just kind of goes back and forth and wraps around the conduit. As we can see here, just a really awesome solution. But then he's just utilizing the links in the chain to then hook the tomato hooks on and then have this string go down to the ground. A really simple technique. You can get that chain really inexpensively off the shelf. You can go get custom links that you need from Lowe's, Home Depot, places like that. And it's a really great idea for adding some easy things that you can hook your trellis netting onto. So thanks so much for sharing this, Gary. Awesome idea. Love seeing it. Next up is a really unique one. This one comes from Paul, and this is a compost tumbler. Really awesome build, really creative. But specifically in this, he incorporated these roller wheels that allows him to, twist the tumbler around and, kind of, I don't know what the proper term is, but, kind of stir up the compost inside the barrel there. And he did the really cool technique, which is using U-bolts that go around the EMT conduit and then into these flat plate casters here and mounts those there. And then those are just spaced apart so that the barrel can sit on them, as we can see here. And he grabs that handle and rotates it around. And this is really cool and doesn't really have to be a compost tumbler. I imagine you could use this same kind of technique and hack for any kind of build that you need to, add wheels to. You could create like a roller for, if you're sliding plant, like heavy plants, you're moving them from one part of your garden to the other. You can make a rail system and slide them on there. Who knows? All kinds of cool stuff you could do with this. Really awesome idea, Paul, and just, like I said, really creative build. So we appreciate you sharing this. Next up is a vertical gardening solution from Aaron, and this is cool. We actually highlighted this in a full video that you can check out, but essentially the idea is he just utilized some of the vertical pieces of conduit in his structure here and essentially got some of these really inexpensive vertical planters, and you can add a hole in those right in the middle and essentially just run the EMT conduit through those and then stack the planters like normal, and then you can incorporate these, and you can, I think he's using them for like seedlings just to kind of start them in there, and then probably, transports them, or what's the word? Moves them and transplants them into another part of his garden. But essentially, this is just a really cool way that you could, if you have a canopy or something and you want to, add some flowers to make it look nice and kind of cover up the vertical pieces of conduit, you could do that really easily. These planters, I got mine at Dollar Tree whenever I made that video. So really cool technique, and you could use this creatively, like I said, for seedlings to start, or you could use it for different aesthetic purposes if you want to add flowers to these. Lots of cool ideas and possibilities for this one, but a really great build we can see here, and a really great way to maximize those vertical poles. So really cool ideas. Thanks everybody for posting these. If you have any ideas that you want to share, post those in the community or send them to us through email. We love seeing them, and we'll keep doing these videos. If you like this, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.